We're down the river here in Middleborough, Mass, where we have the annual herring run. Every season, millions of herring will run upriver to spawn. So I have my GoPro with an underwater housing. You should see some of the footage I got over the years. Some wonderful footage that I want to share with you. Come on, let's go check it out. I want to show you this. This is great. Isn't that great footage? It's great footage and it's great fun to go out there, be in the water, and see that stuff. It's amazing what's under there. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger with another Backyard Project. Go out and let's have some fun. God bless you.